Once again, innovation is at the forefront in the world of robotic vacuums, this time with a model from Ecovacs, the Deebot X8 Pro Omni. This robot embodies high-end quality and incorporates a blend of advanced technologies, some of which have already been tested on models from the Tineco brand, which belongs to the same group. Thus, there is a true consistency in the development of intelligent and efficient cleaning solutions. As usual, the link is available in the description. In terms of design, the X8 Pro Omni impresses at first glance. The robot itself adopts a classic but imposing circular shape, 35 centimeters in diameter with a height of 9.8 centimeters. Its weight exceeds 5 kilograms, which is rather high, but it provides an advantage during cleaning by increasing the pressure on the floor. The docking station is also noteworthy. It measures 53 centimeters in height, 35 centimeters in width, and has a total depth of 48 centimeters, including the robot. It contains two 4-liter water tanks, one for clean water and the other for dirty water, a 3-liter dust bag that automatically seals to prevent any dust dispersion, and a detergent tank accessible from the top. The carrying handle makes it convenient, but be aware, no detergent solution bottle is included in the box. The X8 Pro Omni is not limited to vacuuming. It is designed to wash effectively thanks to a unique roller system inspired by Tineco stick vacuums. This roller, named Osmo Roller, spins at 200 revolutions per minute and is continuously supplied with clean water by 16 nozzles and scrubs. The floor is cleaned with a squeegee that collects the dirty water, which is then directed to a dedicated tank at the back of the robot. As a result, the cleaning is always done with clean water, far from the wet mopping system that drags dirt around. It is also equipped with a main anti-tangle V-shaped brush, silicone blades, and angled bristles, as well as an extendable side brush to reach corners. In terms of navigation, it's top-notch, with a LiDAR positioned in the bumper, ideal for going under furniture, a 3D front AV camera, a side 3D structured light sensor, and several vacuum sensors. It can map multiple floors, automatically locates itself without user intervention, and even works at night thanks to its LiDAR and infrared camera. The suction power reaches an impressive 18,000 Pascal. It operates with a 6,400 mAh battery, with recharging possible during off-peak hours. Maintenance is simplified, with self-cleaning at 75 degrees Celsius, adjustable hot air drying up to 3 hours, and automatic dustbin emptying. On a daily basis, it's a remarkably efficient robot. It automatically adjusts its power according to the type of floor, especially on carpets. It operates with a well-established logic, tracing parallel lines according to the shape of the rooms to optimize cleaning. The washing roller ensures deep cleaning, even on thick stains like dried chocolate. It sometimes takes 2 or 3 passes, but the result is there. The dirt is collected in the waste tank, while the roller remains surprisingly clean. It also knows how to get very close to baseboards and obstacles thanks to its lateral offset system. The Ecovacs app is extremely comprehensive, with zone management, programs, 2D and 3D maps, video surveillance, adjustable washing and suction settings, scheduling, and custom scenarios. Everything is there for a very advanced user experience. Compared to the standard X8 Omni model, the Pro version adds several key features. It features a detergent tank with automatic dosing in the robot, intelligent temperature control for self-cleaning, an onboard surveillance camera, a larger battery, and more advanced software options. These additions fully justify the €100 difference, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution that is both effective and autonomous. In summary, the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni is one of the most complete and intelligent vacuum mop robots on the market. Thanks to its Osmo Roller, inspired by Tineco technology, its efficient management of clean and dirty water, its autonomous cleaning, its impressive suction power, and its ultra-efficient obstacle detection, it checks almost all the boxes. Some software aspects still deserve a little update, but that doesn't take away from its overall excellence. So, if you're looking for a robot that can do it all, or almost, without manual intervention, then this model is truly a benchmark. All the links are in the description. Feel free to leave a comment to share your opinions, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you very soon. Ciao ciao.